Hello guys, and welcome to my fourth video log on my journey of game development. I missed the upload on Wednesday because I had a lot of other stuff to do, but now I took the chance of the holidays in Germany because of Easter to work on the next video. In the last week I was doing a lot of work with the game Mystic Mushrooms. You can see the new starting screen here. I changed the portrait mode to landscape because I think it's more convenient if you can play it with two thumbs. It's more easy. Let's see, maybe I change it back. I also added a new shroom. As you can see here, it's a blue shroom, which is freezing every other shroom and it makes them clickable. So you have another opportunity to change the red shrooms and not just having the black shroom, because the black shroom is moving very fast now. I changed the difficulty of the game as well. I made some tweaks on the movement speed of the shrooms and their masses and physics. I also worked a lot on particle effects this week, since I'm doing this game for learning and getting into new stuff. It was quite nice to just play around with the particle effects and go, what can I show you? I will show you the game on the computer. What it looks like here. So as you can see, I have nice jumping shrooms here with some kind of flamey particle effects in the colors of the shrooms, which is quite nice. I worked on some small animation, so the shrooms are jumping. I need to put in more work, maybe with the buttons, but I think I will release it on mobile phones. I don't know actually if I will release it on the computer, because it's not that a great experience on computer playing with the mouse than by tapping those shrooms. So I worked on a high score page, but there needs to be a lot more work done. I messed up the lists here, and I have no back button, and on the smartphone it's not working because the path of the JSON file I saved the scores into is wrong, and so I need to do a lot of work there, I guess, for the future. So if we start the game, you see I have added some new particle effects to the shrooms and a new animation for the counter of the scores. I also have another heart animation. As you see, here's a new shroom, the blue one. So you have 5 seconds to click shrooms, they get slowed. So for the late game, if you could call it late game in this short game, it's adding a bit more of options for continuing playing the game even when the shrooms are getting a lot faster, as you will see in some seconds, I hope. So basically the the movement speed of the shrooms is like some kind of division of scores by initial movement speeds, or multiplying, I think. I need to check the code actually to tell you how fast they get over time, so over points rather than time. I will save these shrooms for later, since they allow me to remove the red shrooms and slow everything. It's nice. Oh, I forgot to click, so I need to keep the timer in my right eye here. There's a black shroom, and you have the opportunity to click the black shroom even with the blue shroom applied. So I will not click this one. It might be changing in a second. As you see, it stays slowed though. Maybe I need to change this as well. So here I have now a blue-black shroom. As you can see, the mass of the black shroom is very low. So every time he gets hit by a red shroom, every time it gets hit by a red shroom, for example, because they have a really large mass. The black room is moving that fast, and I think I experienced a bug yesterday when the black room was like that fast that he surpassed the colliders on the walls. What doesn't make sense, but I think I saw one black room just disappearing because he was moving too fast, or was got hit too many times by the red rooms. I actually don't know if I can see this happening in the future again. So next plans are completing the high scores page. Then I need to rework the buttons. Maybe they just don't fit in the playstyle. I just made them with PowerPoint because I'm not the greatest artist, and I just didn't want to use just normal font, and here, like you see, a rectangle. I need to make some custom buttons. I have to sit down for a while and use Photoshop or GIMP again, which I didn't use it now for, I guess, 2 weeks at least. Really just making the changes in the shroom there for the blue one, but it's just, you know, just coloring an old shroom, so it's not hard work to do. So as always, thanks for watching. I know there are not many people watching this yet, but that's totally fine. It's a nice documentation for yourself as well. If you do some videos, keeping them safe, or just uploading them to YouTube or some other platforms, because you can rewatch them, check what you have done sometimes, or how bad you were at the time. So it's not just for other people, it's as well some kind of neat helper for you, or a reminder. So I can type my name, so I have my high score saved, which is apparently not working. I can show you this. So here is my high score JSON, and it's saved. I think you cannot see it here. And could I actually? No, you can't. I can show it to you. Wait a second. Pretty fine. So it's not looking quite good. On my work computer I have a nice formatting tool there. Here it's missing. So I will just go for a JSON validator and show you the stuff here, how it looks like. So it's quite easy. I have a JSON object as you need to in the JSON file, and then I just have one array which contains the objects which are saved, so with the name and the score. So as you see, this is working quite nicely, but I need to display it properly in the UI and find out how to save it on the Android or iPhone, and not messing around with the paths there. Thank you for watching. See you next week. If you liked the video, please like it. If you want to see more of those kinds of videos, subscribe to my channel. As I said in the previous videos, I will launch Patreon, but I think I will wait some more time until maybe the first game is finished and I am able to upload it to the Play Store. When I have some time, I try to work on the Patreon page as well. Thanks, stay tuned. Until next week. See you guys. Bye bye.